Hi everyone, I thought I'd jump on this afternoon and do an unboxing. Just received in the mail. I've just unboxed it just like this, so it would be easier for me to open for you. So the unboxing is from Dior today. So made a couple of orders. So it comes in beautiful Dior box. And then also they give you a Dior bag and then envelope just with the receipt inside. So all the signature Dior on there. It's got the ribbon, so we'll open that up. Ribbon's really lovely fabric on the Dior. So let's open. Comes like that. And inside is what I've purchased. Some free samples, I guess, as well. So the first thing I bought was the blush, Rosy Glow. So I'll just open that one up. I think this is a limited edition. So it's got the gold packaging and it's square. Usually it comes in a silver packaging, so it's the Rosy Glow in starry pink. So that's really lovely. And then I've got the Backstage Honey Glow stick, another blush, because you know I've got heaps of blushes. So packaging's beautiful. And this one is 831 Rosy Glow. So it's a beautiful darker pink. The other one I've got's a lighter, more blue pink. So I've got that one. And what else did I get? I got a Dior Addict Lip Oil Glow in 085 Cupcake. I think this is one of their new, it is one of their new ones that they have. Could be a limited edition. So you see that beautiful sparkle in that one. And then also I got another one in Fizzy Pink, number 72. Oh, that's sparkle too, but so that one. You can see the difference. One's pinky and one's more neutral. So I can't wait to try both of them. Actually, I could try the pink on top of mine. So that's really lovely. And then I got a sample of Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet fragrance. The J'adore Essence fragrance. This one, which I'm excited about, is a key ring. That was a free gift. It's bigger than I thought, actually. So that's beautiful. I believe it's scented. It is. It's got a beautiful scent to it. It's got the star. So Sienna, if you're watching, I think you need one of these. And also Dior Addict. Let's see what's in that one. Oh, I've got 3 samples of the Dior Addict. I think they're the new fragrances. So Purple Glow, Rosy Glow, and Peach Glow. So I believe these fragrances look similar in packaging to the blush, the bottles. So I can't wait to try those and see. That's a rosy glow. Very pretty, and packaging's pretty as well. So that's all my purchases from Dior today that arrived, and I hope you like them. Have a good day.